Hi, I'm coming at you today with a very serious problem, one that you can all probably relate to. I've said in a previous video, I am addicted to the internet, and I said it in a joking manner, kind of making fun of the whole situation, but it's serious. Like, it's affecting my health, my relationships, and my motivation to just do something. I was lying in bed, watching BuzzFeed videos, and just somehow rationalizing in my mind that it's okay, just one more. Just, you can stop on the hour. Like, I do this thing where I watch a video, and if it's 8:07, for example, I'll wait till it's 8:15 until I stop. But I'm not here to ramble. I'm just here to say that in that space of time that I have been procrastinating, because what other better word is it than that, I could have been making videos. I could have been catching up on sleep. I could have been cleaning my room, bettering myself. But instead, I submit myself to this pointless device. I'm neglecting my self-care. I was trying to look for a beanie to wear for this video because my hair looks horrible, but I couldn't find that, so I just put my hood on and I look absolutely, not presentable, but that shouldn't matter. I've been putting off a lot of things, and I think my way of coping is through the internet, because when you're there it feels like no time is passing at all. I'm not covering any new ground or anything in this video, I'm just merely stating where I am at this point. And it just hit me when, instead of going downstairs to greet my parents and hang out with them, I was upstairs on my phone. Instead of taking a nap, rejuvenating myself to be productive, I was on my phone again. I need help. And I guess I just wanted to chronicle my journey of seeking help, of being better, of doing things that don't require you to be on your phone. It's gonna be tough, and I don't know how I'm going to do it, since this is kind of hypocritical, because in order for me to upload this, I need to go on the internet, and there's more temptation, especially YouTube, and it's but I have to try. So what's my game plan? I was thinking this. This is a book I got in the Philippines, and I was already aware that I had this addiction. It's pretty much 365 ways to get off the internet and do something with your life. So, if I can muster it, I will do a vlog every day of me completing one of these tasks. For example, host a clothing swap with friends and refresh your wardrobe without a virtual shopping cart. Now that sort of stuff is going to be a bit hard to do, but I could plan. For example, visit an art museum. I mean, these are kind of hard to do on my schedule. That's what the challenge is, isn't it? To find time to do it. So, I might try the method of, randomly selecting something and then just being like, yes, this one's simple enough. Remember skipping? Try it. So I'm gonna cut it off there because I want to get back into making videos. For those of you out there who feel the same way as me, who feel like they're neglecting life because instead they're confining themselves to a screen, then please join. Don't ruin your eyesight like I have. That stuff is irreversible damage, and it's not worth it. So, come with me on this journey. This is the first step to freedom. This is a personal intervention. Thanks for watching.